Here's how you can hide the message previews on the Apple Watch. Let's talk about it. If this is your first time here, most definitely subscribe to Foxtecc so you never miss anything important. Well, whenever you get inside your Apple Watch app on the iPhone, you can manage all of the settings for your Apple Watch. But in our case, we want to go straight to the notification section because you can there manage individual apps and their notifications. But I am interested in the toggle, which is named Tap to show full notification. And I think you should have that turned on because it's going to be very practical for you. Basically, the point is that you will see the notification received on the watch, but it's not going to say anything. It's not going to show any content or preview unless you actually tap on it with your finger. Of course, you need to have the toggle enabled, but yeah, it even tells you in the little description there that you need to tap the screen or a double tap with your fingers, to perform the gesture or whatever. But the point is that the content is not going to be instantly visible to anyone who just glances at your wrist, right? You have to confirm it with a tap. So that is very likely the thing that you want to have turned on. And yeah, the point is that you can only do it for general notification type. So it's going to apply to the messages, but you cannot really only turn it on for one app and then not for the other. So that's how it works. But other than that, that's it. Let me know what you think. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.